What has humanities to do with data?
Well, humanities is, that's a complicated question.
Humanities data is...
Okay, let's do it again.
Okay. What has humanities to do with data?
I think that humanities is about information. Information basically is data.
So to me, humanities data is notes and links connecting meaningfully persons, places, and events.
Hello, my name is Femi Admiral from the Chief Integration Office of DARIAH. We're here today at the University Library in Warsaw for the DARIAH Annual Event 2019. The topic of this year's event is Humanities Data, and we're very pleased to welcome about 200 participants of over 20 countries.
I think that data is a very poor term for capturing the richness of the materials that humanities scholars deal with. So humanities researchers are studying books and letters that you find in archives or in libraries, but they're also studying art objects, cultural heritage objects, archaeology. So there's lots and lots of different things that are interesting and important for humanities scholars, and the term data just reduces it to a kind of small little thing that isn't very interesting. So I think data really isn't the best word to talk about the kinds of materials that humanities scholars are interested in.
Humanities data is a really critical topic for DARIAH to address. And I think there's a number of reasons. Internally, from the point of view of the humanities researcher, more and more of our workflows, more and more of our work is being based on digitized data. But there's a lot of difficulties around the terminology with data. So we as a research infrastructure can help to ease that transition. On the other hand, there's also a lot of work being done almost from the top down at a policy level to bring together data, to understand data as a really valuable asset for research and for other walks of life. So we think that for DARIAH to be active here and really investigating these questions is an important way that we can bring these two levels together.
The DARIAH Annual Event has really opened my eyes to the wide range of ideas that different people have of what humanities data means.
My overall impression from the DARIAH Annual Event is that it's full of diversity of opinions and methodologies and data sets, and I think that's its beauty.
I think this year's annual event was a great success. I've seen many exchanges, and it was very inspirational to hear people talk about data from so many different perspectives. And I believe this will be the start of many new collaborations to take this topic of humanities data and the research on it even further.